Oh man, good morning y'all. It's like 5:30 in the morning right now. I went to bed at like 2, so definitely not feeling the hottest, but I'm definitely excited. I'm in Queens right now. I gotta head back to the Bronx to my house, grab a couple things, and then I gotta take the metro down to the bus station. And from there, I'm gonna head to Philly, where Martin is gonna pick me up and take me down to Delaware, pick up the 350. I don't know if you watched phase 3, or phase 4, but there was a couple odds and ends I gotta tie up before the car's ready to start, but not too much. Not too much. Just a couple odds and ends. Tie those up, and then I'll be able to try and start her up, see what happens. Not this car.
Bluetooth mode.
But yeah, as long as the car starts, I'll be getting her back here to New York. Hudson Yards. It is Saturday. Found parking. Probably still gonna get a ticket. Had to park super close. I'll give y'all the update if I get a ticket, because it doesn't look too bad. I'm like halfway in, halfway out. So we'll see how much of a these cops want to be today. So there's a lot of bus stops over here, and my first time in New York City, I was visiting my brother, and this is actually the area where I decided I might move to New York. So it's pretty cool being back here. I already smell Philly cheesesteaks, and I'm in some random ass alleyway. Excuse me, sir. We in Philadelphia. That's all I know this place for. Philly cheesesteaks and the Liberty Bell.
Yeah.
Look at this Wawa in Philadelphia, bro. And this thing, yo, this whole entire store is wrapped around in marble. Like, the outside of it is just marble, stone, whatever that stuff is called. And it's a Wawa. All the beverages, bro. Oh, where's the donuts? Wait, you gotta go to the coffee to get the donuts? This is a Wawa, bro. We've been walking for like a block. Next to the coffee. Nah, they're gone. Nah. Oh, they almost gone. Nah, there's a couple more in there. We'll get one from the back. Just eating donuts at the bus stop. What was that?
How's your donut, bro?
I'm not gonna pretend it didn't happen because I didn't even know I had that piece. Damn, well, I guess we didn't need a ride, mother. The steak shop is literally right next to this factory, man. It's so sick. Gotta eat inside though, cause it's raining.
Get some sanitizer.
Yeah.
Beat it up.
Cheers.
Yeah, how did you do that?
I use this one.
You gotta say.
Definitely taste the sesame seeds.
Dang, that might be bad news. That's all I
Nah,
had to say.
it's good. It's really good, but yeah, it's just like an extra loaded cheesesteak.
I mean, it's a cheesesteak. We'll see. We'll see what I got to say.
It's also super hot. It's like steaming in my mouth right now.
Alright, so I should give it a second. The meat's got a good consistency. Like all the fat's melted, there's no gristle. No super chewy parts. The whole bite had onions, cheese, and bread. And the bread is like a little bit crispy on the outside. Nice and soft in the middle.
What's the rating?
Damn. This is fucking good.
I'm gonna give it like 8.3.
Well, I'll definitely put it at like a 9.1 because I gotta leave some room for future adventures. I'll say 9.1 with a margin of error of 0.9.
Wait, what?
It means it could possibly be the best cheesesteak I ever had.
Oh shit. Wait, what would you rate a Betsy Ross cheesesteak? Betsy Ross is a place in Delaware. Shout out Betsy Ross. Sponsor my drift bill.
We don't want to. What the No, so I know what you're saying about Betsy Ross, but it's just like the steak. I think the quality of the steak.
But what's the rating for Betsy Ross?
Like a 7.
I feel like that's gonna make that should have been like where I should have started the score based off how I would score a Betsy Ross cheesesteak, because that's what we've always got, and them shits hit. All right, so the score for Betsy Ross after having this is like, damn, this has to go higher. This has to be a higher score because Betsy Ross is in fucking 7.
Yo, come to the 9.1.
Alright, I'm gonna go with 9.1 point. No, 9.90. 90.75.
You mean 9.75? No, you mean 9.075? Is that what you're saying?
9.75. 9.07. All right, 9.05.
What the fuck? 9.075 is what the man's trying to say.
All right, 9.1. I had to pull this whole thing out just to bleed the system because the whole system dried out. So this, it was I don't know how to say it. So the whole system was dried out. So that made this dry out, and now this doesn't get enough pressure from the fluid to create pressure in the line to be able to bleed without having to bench bleed this first. So I'm gonna go ahead and bench bleed this, but first I gotta go all the way to AutoZone to get a bench bleeding kit. So we'll be back yet again. Y'all probably don't even know where we are in this situation. It's fucking 9 o'clock at night and we got the pipe on. So we're making good progress out here. Happy days. It's 4 in the morning, y'all. I woke up at 4 this morning when you saw me leaving Queens. So, been up 24 hours, all for this mission. I got the exhaust on, I got the clutch bled, I got all the random pieces on. I gotta put the oil filter on now, which is what I'm doing over here. And then I can drop the car and put on the air plenum. And the intake, the cold air intake, and all that other stuff. This shit is getting crazy. I'm basically ready to put fluids in, but I still got a dropper, put some of the front on. I have to find the hose that goes to this, Somewhere, it's around here somewhere. I gotta put the air plenum on, attach the hoses to the throttle bodies, the intakes, strut bar, plug in the new battery, once over everything, and basically from there she's ready to start and see if she works. Your boy is tired, man. Holy sh! I don't know where that little hose is, so that's not good. I'm missing the little window cover for the transmission. I don't know how I'm surviving. That's what I'm on right now. Sorry you guys haven't got a lot of clips of my work, but it's really just been like the 3 things I explained to you that I did, and it's just like craziness of me trying to get it to work. And I feel like the exhaust it's not solid. Like a lot of the bolts snapped, and I kind of just made do with what I got. And she probably got a couple more exhaust leaks, but we'll figure that later out. For now, basically need this hose that goes right here, and it's literally missing. It's at 5 ports, so Whole bottle. Alright. I had this plan a whole different way, man. But,
Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath.
dumb brown people, bro. Yeah, like. Oh, okay. Well, we got her together, but we didn't get her to start. I thought it was those bad cables. It wasn't. So I gotta take another trip to get this going. It's getting a little crazy, but it's all a process. I'm learning. Martin's learning a lot.
Getting there.
You know? Going through tribals and tribulations. How you say that shit?
Trials and tribulations.
Trials.
Troubles and defibrillations.
Bye, baby. Till next time. Yeah, man. I keep ending these videos without a goddamn startup. So I'll just leave y'all at that. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I need help. I'm having bad times here. And a subscribe always makes me feel good. So go down below, hit subscribe, or comment that I suck. Either way, just give me something. And hopefully I'll see y'all next time when I try to diagnose what's going on now. I should explain to y'all, but I already started my outro, so peace.